Hello friends, welcome to your YouTube channel Divineveda. Today I am going to show how to prepare Ambali. Ambali is a traditional Indian probiotic food which is prepared at most of Indian homes. Nowadays it has been stopped and this has led to many health problems. Preparing Ambali is very easy and it can be prepared by anyone at home and it can be consumed by anyone at all throughout the year. Probiotic food is a combination of healthy gut bacteria which will help us in proper digestion and absorption of our food intake. Please watch till the end of this video to know more about probiotic foods, benefits of eating probiotic foods and how to consume probiotic foods. Ingredients that are required to make Ambali are millets, brown rice and chili stalks. The chili stalks, why do we require chili stalks is this contains some soil-based bacteria which will help in the speedy process of fermentation. We can also prepare Ambali with only millets, but here instead of preparing only with millets, I am taking equal proportion of millets and also brown rice. First we have to wash the millets and brown rice thoroughly. For example, you can wash it 2 to 3 times. For better result, it is advised to use earthen pots. So, and after washing, what we have done is we have soaked the millet and brown rice in 1:5 ratio of water. This millet and brown rice has to be soaked for around 7 to 8 hours. This has already been soaked for around 7 to 8 hours and it is ready. Now we can start the process of cooking. Before cooking, take half cup of soaked water. This will act as a culture for fermentation. We have started cooking in a low flame and this process will take around 25 to 30 minutes. Now you can see how well it has cooked. The grains are cleanly separated and it is very well cooked. To this I am going to add water so that it gets soaked. The other purpose of adding water is water acts as a medium for fermentation. So for this I am going to add the chili stalks, 4 to 5 chili stalks, and this is the water which we have collected from the soaked millet before cooking. This acts as a culture for fermentation. We are also going to add that. So we need to make sure that everything is cleanly mixed. Now what we have to do is we have to take a muslin cloth or else like a cotton cloth and tie it like this so that there is a proper air circulation for the fermentation, and leave it for soaking for around 8 to 10 hours. Now our Ambali is fully fermented. You can see it. See, your small bubbles are also coming. This shows it is fermented. It is already fermented. We have kept it for fermented for around 12 hours. So it is fully fermented. And you can even see the chili stalks here. So now you have to take this into a bowl, or else like you can directly take to your plate and eat it. While having it, you need to have the Ambali with this water, because this is the one which contains rich amount of bacteria, live bacteria. And you need to make sure that while eating Ambali, you have to eat it with prebiotics, that is the salads. This is the cucumber and onion salad and this is the bean salad. and the video which we have made it, and we have posted it in our YouTube channel. You can check it out, and you have to use it. You have to consume it with sambar, which is made out of any tur dal, something like that. It should not be heavy. It should be light, watery type of thing. And also this buttermilk. But I normally consume only buttermilk, because buttermilk is the one which contains around 50% of the our gut biome. Now I am going to show how to eat it. See, this is the one. To this I am going to add the salad and so you can so to this you can even add your buttermilk. You can probably consume like using like this. Make sure that you eat the main reason why with prebiotics is prebiotics acts as a food for the probiotic. Our Ambali is probiotic and the salad is prebiotic. Please comment, like and share this video with your friends and relatives so that others will also get benefit by watching this video. Thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to your YouTube channel and don't forget to click the bell icon.